Dear leaders, I have a message to give you. The message is that leadership is a journey. It's not an event or one-day workshop only. So if you want to be a great leader, you have to really go through a consistent, hardworking, daily commitment leadership journey so that you are developing your leadership every single day and you are working on it every single day. So one day I was talking to a girl and I was telling her, why don't you develop your leadership? So she told me that she already knows leadership. I said, how? How you know everything about leadership? She said that I actually attended a one-day program in an event, and the speaker talked about leadership. So I already know leadership. I don't need to develop any more ideas, or I don't need to learn anything. So this is an example is that sometimes how people really think so narrowly. So because leadership cannot be developed in one day, leadership actually can be developed daily. If you go through the daily development, daily process, daily go through journey, daily learning, then you can actually develop your leadership. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.